Hey guys, welcome back. So when it comes to foldable smartphones, the most selling device is the Z Flip 3. There's no doubt why this phone is super popular across the world. It is the cheapest and smallest folding phone and many users find it more useful. Now we got some new updates regarding its successor, the Z Flip 4, which might be even beat the Z Flip 3. But before we jump into the video, I wanna say that if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is mainly popular because of these reasons. Primary reason for this include wider availability, better durability, good software experience, and most importantly, it is the cheapest of all. Overall, the Z Flip 3 completes all users' demands and many users are enjoying this device as well. Now it seems like the Z Flip 4 will break this record in the upcoming months. According to latest information, Samsung is going to increase the size of the cover screen, which was one of the biggest drawback in the Z Flip 3. And according to Ross Young, the Z Flip 4 will get a little bigger outer screen, but he didn't mention exact number. Although he says it'll be more than 2 inches. If this turns out to be true, we can expect the company to allow users to make good use of the outer screen with new software features. Moving on, the next big drawback for the Z Flip 3 is the battery size. As we know, the size of this folding phone is very small, due to which it compromises on the battery size. But according to new report, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 with model number SMF721 will come with 2 batteries. The first battery is a sub battery with a rated capacity of 2400 mAh, while the second one is the main one with rated capacity of 900. Therefore, the overall battery size will be around 3400 mAh, which is slightly higher than the Z Flip 3. So it looks like the typical battery capacity of the new model will be at least 100 mAh higher than its predecessor. Also, this phone will be getting the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus CPU, which is pretty power efficient and high performance processor. So 100 mAh increased battery and new chipset will help together to increase the battery backup of this smartphone, where we can expect this smartphone to run a full day on a single charge. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about these updates for the Z Flip 4? And if you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel for more daily updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.